All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys as always for tuning in, taking your time out to come show support. I love you all. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these day-to-day analysis that I bring you guys for Pepe as well as some of these other coins that you guys like. So if we're looking at the overall market today, we are seeing altcoins once again, seeing a little bit of a pullback again, due to Bitcoin still having a little bit of a hard time, breaking back above 70k, but so far so good in terms of like the bigger picture is concerned. We're seeing Pepe also down about 4%. Before anyone comes out and says anything negative about Pepe being down about 4%, I want you guys to really take a look at what's happening as far as the bigger picture is concerned. On the weekly time frame, it's up 25.4%, and on the monthly time frame, it is the top gainer. Pepe is the top gainer on the monthly time frame, up 108%. So before anyone comes out and starts hating, I really hope you guys really consider these numbers before coming out and speaking or trolling or whatever you want to call it. But anyhow, let's continue and take a look at what's happening with the price of Pepe. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, 1334, we still have about 4 zeros in front of the price, down about 4.2% in Bitcoin USD and Ethereum. Comparative market cap, just shy of $5.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 2.2 billion. So, so far so good, guys. Even though we're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, we're holding really strong for Pepe, pretty much all-time high territory. And, we could see a breakout towards the upside, honestly, anytime, especially when prices are holding like this. But let's take a further look, see what is happening, and of course, what we could be expecting. So, of course, if we're looking at the holder count, you guys can see this for yourself. Holder count has been on an upward trend, and what I'm starting to notice, what I'm starting to think is this massive decline in the holder count on May 14th. I think this was pure manipulation to really scare people away. And whales try to do these. Whales have so many different strategies to shake out the weekends. And you can literally see shortly after that, the price of Pepe skyrocketed, as well as its obviously holder count has been skyrocketing, hitting pretty much all-time highs. So that is, of course, really impressive stuff as always. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe and, of course, the entire meme coin market combined. So I'm going to be quite honest with you. The meme coin market is holding up right now despite seeing a little bit of a pullback within the markets. You guys can see the overall market cap combined is almost $62 billion. So basically it has not changed. Compared to yesterday, we have not changed. We're holding really good. And this is, giving me a confirmation type of feeling that, we're seeing a lot of money flowing from Bitcoin to meme coins specifically right now because, of course, we have seen the dominance fall down, and dominance still continues to be pulling down right now. And of course, this does indicate money is going from Bitcoin elsewhere. Of course, we are seeing that Ethereum ETF, that's pretty much going to get approved. A lot of, speculation on that, but a lot of credible sources saying, we could be seeing an Ethereum ETF very soon, as all the big, companies have gone and, applied for one. So, obviously that could be also a catalyst. We're seeing a lot of money flowing from Bitcoin to Ethereum. And of course, obviously when Ethereum is pumping, Pepe is an Ethereum-based project, which could be also a huge catalyst behind it. But, if you're looking at the overall performance itself, as I've said to you guys before, the top 5, meme coins in terms of market cap, Pepe has been outshining all of them, up 27.3%. And of course, right below the top 5, a Bonk is absolutely killing it as well, up 30.5%. But so far so good. I'm really liking this stuff for the meme coin market. And yeah, definitely a great time to be, obviously, if you were dollar cost averaging it throughout the last year, or even this dip that we did see, I'm sure you are smiling right now. And if you have your portfolio, obviously if you have a little bit of percentages of meme coins, I'm sure meme coins are carrying your portfolios right now. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with the price today, and obviously what we could be expecting. Looking at the dominance index, obviously, like I've said, it has been falling down. This is a great sign sign for a lot of altcoins, especially meme coins right now, which is giving us a confirmation as well that, meme coins definitely are, feeling the love due to this massive drop in dominance index. If we're looking at BTC, as I've said, Bitcoin having a little bit of a hard time getting past, that key resistance. As I've said, there's several amount of resistance around that range, because if we're able to pop out at 71,800 zone, guys, we're pretty much going to see an all-time high very soon, in my opinion. So that's how I'm currently analyzing the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking really, really good, but of course, you guys probably are wondering what happens if we actually do lose this support, especially around this $68,328. Of course, if we were to lose this support, we could see the $67,219 level come as a level of support. I could see that as a realistic target, to be quite frank with you, if we were to lose the support line. So of course, it's really important for the price of Bitcoin to be staying at the 69k zone, but if that were not to happen, be prepared for 67k, which of course was a resistance as we were going towards the upside, and which will play as a level of support when we do break towards the downside. But as far as the broader bigger picture is concerned, Bitcoin as well as the entire market is looking really bullish as of now. And speaking about being bullish, look at the sentiment. I asked 15 hours ago, you guys, my community members, in 15 hours, we have seen 1,900 votes come in, and you can see I asked, you have to choose one coin as the top performer for 2024. What would you choose? And we're pretty much halfway through the year, guys. We have about 7 months left, and 27% of these votes have come in and said Pepe as the top performer. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, the leader is Solana right now in terms of votes, but we will see what happens. But do let me know in the comments down below. Pause the video, let me know in the comments down below, where do you see Pepe trading at on December 31st as we are closing out the year of 2024? That's what I want you guys to comment down below in the comments. But let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe. So of course, what a beautiful site. Let's just be honest, what a beautiful site. Obviously, now the next major level of support, the previous level of all-time high would be obviously a level of support, but that is a far down support line. But right now what you're seeing is a beautiful accumulation phase happening right now for Pepe. As I've said, looking really, really good. We could be expecting a breakout. If Bitcoin were to see even a little bit of a bounce back up to 70k, I think Pepe will claim back towards all-time highs. The way it's consolidating right now after having this massive move, these types of consolidation are what you need to have this bullish momentum carry on. So what you're starting to see is consolidation, and it's building a support for itself around pretty much all-time highs, and that is nice, because once we break out towards the upside and the market were to cool off, these exact same levels come in as levels of support. So that's how I'm currently analyzing the charts of Pepe. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.